MTD CNC, bringing you the latest engineering news, reviews, events and special offers via video media.
I'm at GW Martin Machining Specialists here in Eastleigh. I've come to meet with an old colleague, Richard Blake. I used to work for Richard many years ago in the machine tool industry, and recently he's taken up a new post here as Business Development Manager. And he's done that because he's genuinely excited about the prospects or the future of this company. I'm going to go inside and meet with Richard and find out some of the reasons why he cannot wait to take this business forward. Richard, great to see you again. Good to see a friendly face. So, what are you excited about here at your new company?
Well, this is a fantastic company, Paul. Been here for over 50 years. Got a fantastic reputation for quality. They are a real high-end production manufacturing company who just recently invested over £1.1 million in new equipment, and we're looking to grow this business and diversify it.
And what are the what is the company good at?
We're precision, high-value production machining. We are able to produce components of very tight tolerances, but a lot of them. We manage the whole production process right the way through, from inspection right the way to dispatch.
And you've been in the engineering game for some time, and you're genuinely looking forward to this challenge ahead. Is this the sort of company that you've always looked at and aspired to in manufacturing?
It is. I mean, it almost better than that. This has got so much potential, this company, to grow and develop. The skill sets we've got here through the apprentice scheme they've taken on. We've got 6 apprentices here right now. It's unbelievable for a company this size. So the training courses we're laying on and the new technology we're bringing in really positions us to grow this business.
And I don't imagine there's many companies, certainly locally, that could compete with what you've got in a machining environment, is there?
I don't think there is. I think we are absolutely right on the cutting edge of technology here. The cycle times and the quality and the tolerances we're able to maintain are unbelievable.
Let's go and have a look at some of that machinery. We'll start with the multi-spindle.
Okay, sounds good.
So Richard, this is one of the machines that we're going to look at today. What is this?
This is a CNC multi-spindle machine. What that means is this is a multi-spindle machine which is traditionally very, very fast cycle times, but also it's a CNC machine. So traditionally, multi-spindles took a long time to set up, and then you could run parts, thousands of parts off quickly. This machine, because it's a CNC machine, you can set up quite quickly now. So you get the benefit of a quicker setup and very, very good production times.
Does that enable you to tackle different or lower volumes?
Well, it can do lower volumes, but I have to say, these sorts of parts here are absolutely perfect for it. They're based really on fast cycle times, as quick as you can possibly make them. The actual cutting time of these is unbelievable.
And would you say then that's because on these machines there is no downtime when the machine is always cutting metal?
Exactly, Paul. This machine is cutting metal all the time. There's hardly any air time. It's got 6 spindles working all together to produce one component. So you can imagine how quick it is.
So interesting to see. This is an index machine. I know you've got many index machines. In fact, a new one, which we're going to have a look at in a minute. But before we do that, let's go and have a look at the Mianos.
Okay, great.
So this is your Miano cell, and this is where you've got machines that are multi-axis. So we're talking about twin spindle, twin turret turning centres. What are you actually doing in this cell?
Well, the Miano cell is quite unique, I think. We make various different components going through this cell. The machines are the same, the tooling's the same, so it gives us the ability to put various different types of components through this cell without having to waste too much time setting up tools, setting up components, because we've got a similar setup throughout the whole cell.
I mean, they're still production machines though, so they're still equipped to reduce cycle times.
Exactly. I mean, some of these components we're producing here are unbelievably quick. We're post-processing the CAD drawing straight into the control. The prove out and first off time is minimised, and as we look at the inspection later on, you'll see how quick we can get a first off. So
would the volumes that you're manufacturing here be significantly less than what you do on the multis?
Absolutely. These are short volume to high volume. You've got a suite of machines here that can pretty much take a complete range of components, different types, different styles and different volumes, and produce them efficiently.
Okay, I'm excited now to see the new machine, so let's go and have a look at that.
Okay, sounds good.
So you bought 5 machines lately. We've looked at the Mianos, you bought a Doosan as well. This is the latest edition. What is this machine, Richard?
This is the Index C200. This is a twin spindle, 3 turret, high value production turning machine. Comes with a parts catcher, a parts conveyor and a bar feed. So this machine can produce very high accurate components in vast quantities.
So it might seem like a crazy question, but a machine of this sophistication, what are you going to use it for and what's it going to do for the company?
Well, take this component here. This is a medical component, part of an artificial limb. We used to produce this component in 9 minutes. On this machine, we're producing the same component in 6 minutes. That's a 30% saving. So we now are extremely competitive in producing high-end components like this with very, very high accuracy.
And that's okay day 1, day 2, but you need a machine that's going to deliver that in the long term. Is this the right machine for that?
Yes, I think it is. This is a German-built machine. It's a very heavy machine. It's built with longevity in mind, and I think we're going to see this machine producing 24 hours a day, 7 days a week for a very long time to come. And
I suppose the very fact that you've got loads of these Index machines shows that you're a very happy customer with this product.
Yes, we are. They're a great product for us. Exactly the type of products we produce here. These machines are well suited.
And we've now looked at all the machining, so you're making the parts. What do GW Martin do when it comes to inspecting and assembly and delivery?
Well, we've recently invested in a few new inspection machines, but also we've developed an assembly area. One of the reasons we did that, our customers were producing components, taking them away, having them assembled, having different operations done like plating and painting, and then producing the complete assembled unit and themselves. They can come to us now to do all of that. So we take the components, we machine them, we assemble them, we look after all the surface treatments that's required, put it in a box and we ship it to the customer on demand when he wants it.
And now with you in the business, where's the company going to be in 2 years' time?
Well, I think we're going to grow this business. We're excited about what we're doing. We want to tell everybody what we're doing. I think we've got a great future.
Brilliant, Richard. It's been a pleasure today. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
For more videos, products and news, go to mtdcnc.com or follow MTD Online on Twitter.